Once again, welcome to the channel. I'm just finding myself in a situation where I heard of everyone is saying the economy is so hard, so we find it difficult to make money. But here I want to introduce one thing to you. So this is what I want to introduce to you. I have a small thing that I want to introduce to everyone and how to make money online in a huge way. A lot of people think of how I'm going to make money online and it's so difficult. Okay, so the only thing is to have an Android phone. If you have an Android phone, you need to have these two apps on your phone. You need to have a Django and a Jumia. It's two different kind of app, and someone will ask me what am I going to use this app for. It's simple thing. So here I want to tell you how you're going to use this app on your phone. So the first thing is that you have a WhatsApp phone, right? You post some things on your status and rather you watch it, right? So go to Jumia. Put yourself in the viewers or the viewers' shoes. See yourself in the situation. What are the things if I put on my status now for selling, they are going to buy into it. Now Christmas is coming up. You know, guys likes a lot of sneakers, shirts, knickers, trousers, and a lot of things, jewels and earring, and a lot of things. So just go to Jumia, go and look for the nice one, screenshot it, right? Screenshot it, just screenshot it, and do well and post it on the status for a cool price. But that's what you're going to do before. So after you're going to do this thing, just go to Jumia, go search for the thing that you're going to put on your status. If it is a shirt, go and search for the price of the shirt and add the door delivery price also to it and your profit. So I think this is how you're going to make it. Let's say I have seen a shirt on the Jumia that costs 50 cedis. Kindly quickly I'll go and jump on that shirt and I will take it. So the delivery price also costs the door-to-door delivery price also costs about 10 cedis or 20 cedis. I think that one is cheaper. So that one also it costs 20 cedis or 50 cedis. No, sorry, 20 cedis or 10 cedis. So I will add that one to it, so it will be what? Either 70 cedis, right? It will be 70 cedis. And it will be 70 cedis, I will add my profit to it. Let's say my profit is 10 cedis or 15 cedis. I'll add it to it and I'll put on my status the good price. So I'll get people who will jump into it and they will say they will like it. So I'll quickly go to Jumia and order it. When I order this thing, but you know one thing, I will tell them to send me the money first. This one thing that is so important. Tell them to send you the money first. If they send you the money first, just go ahead and order it from Jumia. If you order it, let it come straight to you, to your house or to your where you stay, and take that parcel, remove the cover around it or the thing that they have used to package it. Just remove it, take it out of it, and you cover it in a different position, a different way. Why did I say it? Take that thing out of it? Because if you send it to the person whom you have bought for him, he's going to say, "Oh, this guy buys this amount of price, and he's going to send it to me this amount of price." You know, it's a marketing. So you need to find a means of ways to do that. So you will take the cover out of it, right? And you should cover it in a different form. Just deliver it to the person. Why am I saying you're going to use Django? This Django is a different kind of app that is, they have their own riders. Their own riders. That no matter where you're sending it to, so just send it to the person. The person will just pick it up and he will jump into it. And it's nice, yeah. You're going to make a lot of money from it. I have one brother who always every day he makes more than 20 cedis from this thing. He's in the house only doing nothing, but it makes more than 100 cedis from it every day. So if you like to do this thing, just do it. And it's so nice. It's so nice, catchy, and attractive. I think if you continue doing this, it's going to help you. If you want to make it as a business, you can also make it as a business, and it's going to help you. Making money online is so nice. Thank you. No rest.